Now this is Inago or Inagu. Now this charming young man is very eccentric young man. Is Locust. Ah, okay. So these are locusts, and I've eaten these before, but I ate them at a different size, and it was really gooey. And this is what I've just ordered. I just had some uni as well. It was quite nice. So let's see these. Let's see these Inago or Locust. You know, I could be like the. Sure. Let anyone try to grab these locusts out of my dying chopsticks. You know, man. You know. Now, if the ancient Egyptian had done that, eaten locusts, there'd be no problem, would there? Oh my God. No. Yeah, I must admit, I won't be ordering locust soon. Thanks for watching. Master Santa, Mama Santa, and there's all the shop things up there. Not cheap, but it's a nice atmosphere. We have a special room, private room, got it. No, I'm getting answers here. You don't mind? There you go. Bumped into one the other week. There you go. This is the first time I'm a customer. Damn it. Look at Oksano got it. Look at so I'm gonna get on with this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Yeah, get one from that guy again. Kushikatsu.